Merry Christmas, baby. Okay, so I've decided to take this wall apart to gain me some extra inches for this clawfoot tub. Yeah, so there was a stud here. What's interesting to note, there's where the stud was. Yeah, I don't see any screws in there, do you? Nope. I put a couple right there and that's it. The back side doesn't look that bad. I've taken my Sawzall with the nail blade. I've ran it underneath this 2x4, cut it flush there, cut it flush there. I'm going to take a chisel and I'm going to split that. Looks like there's a couple screws. They've got a patch here for a bathtub, which is odd considering all the former plumbing was over here. But anyway, so my goal is to take all this apart. I'm going to take a piece of drywall, cut it, be real careful. I'm going to try to get it in there really good. Now, I'm not going to be able to screw the drywall in anywhere because this is a 1/2-inch plywood. And on the other side of this is a closet. So what my plan is put a solid piece of drywall in here, probably 2 pieces, and then I'm going to put some drywall right here. And hopefully I can wedge it in there and hold it in. Yep, had to spend an hour going to town, get some corner bead. Of course, there was some corner bead here, but not enough to do the project. So anyway, I'm going to take a chisel, split that wood, find these wood screws, and try to leave that drywall as intact as possible in the back. So that's my goal. Okay, a little elbow grease, a good blade on the Sawzall, some chisels. I was able to get that 2x4 up. Of course, we talked about getting this one up, and it was kind of nice that they didn't use any drywall screws except at the end here and down here. And so, curious to what it looks like on the other side? Well, we'll show you. One hole. So this is the other side. This is a closet. There you go. That was the only hole, and actually, yeah, that's the only hole we got. Everything else I cut with the Sawzall. There was wood supporting this. I split that, which enabled me to get those screws out. Now there is some holes up here. There was some anchors in here. You can see them anchors. And the only reason those are in there is because there was a rack here. I had them. So all I've got to do is fill those in. This is an inside closet, so it really doesn't matter. And like I said, we're going to back this with a piece of drywall, and just as long as you remember there's no structure behind that, we should be good. Kind of amazing what a guy will do for an extra 4 inches. Oh, there she is. Get some mud and tape on that. Get her boxed in. Well, there we go. First coat of mud's on, tape. My drywall skills have something to be desired, yes, I know. But anyway, there goes the old day. But now we can start looking for faucets and stuff for that tub. I've got 60 some odd inches now to work with, so that's a good thing.